Here is your new 2016 Cascada. This has a 1.6 liter turbo engine. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission. Inside we can see the jet black leather interior. The steering wheel has audio controls. The lights are automatic, as are the windshield wipers. This has an IntelliLink radio system, which includes navigation. You can Bluetooth 4 phones, AM/FM radio, XM radio trial. It includes OnStar and a 4G LTE hotspot. And then, if this cooperates, I'm going to show you the top going down, but I didn't hold on to it. I'll show it from the inside. And there you have it in convertible mode. Here is your new 2016 Buick Cascada. My name is Cheryl Burke. I'm here at Delray Buick GMC. My phone number is 650-483-6712, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.